Welcome to another Red Yeti Spotlight. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out the Drift Innovation X3 head-mounted action cam. Drift Innovation makes pioneering action cameras designed to capture and share your experiences, adventures, and passion projects. Although Drift Innovation does offer a few different camera options, today we're going to be checking out their X3. The X3 Action Cam is a head-mounted camera that not only allows you to record POV footage on the fly, but it can also handle bi-directional POV video chat. Basically, it allows you to talk to someone and let them watch what you're seeing through your own eyes as you're talking to them in real time. This is the perfect action cam for anyone who's really into hiking or fishing, or just wants to get a first-person recording of what you're doing. If you're really into vlogging, this would be your new bread and butter. You can literally share a first-person experience firsthand, and it's a major teaching tool too. The Drift X3 is lightweight, weighing less than 100 grams. It's hands-free, and it's a nice stylish leap forward for the action camera world. Compared to a traditional action camera, it's way easier to mount on your head. Plus it's rain and sweat resistant, and it has a built-in noise canceling internal speaker. The Drift X3 has a 120-degree view angle, which is extremely important for a wearable camera because you can cover the same field of view as you would normally see with natural eyesight. That means what you capture on the camera is just about what you would see if you were there yourself. In terms of video quality, this cam records in 1080p at 30 FPS, which is perfect for getting clear shots. And it has a 3.5 hour battery. That's way more than enough to capture a solid block of adventure. On top of incredible video, the Drift X3 captures fantastic audio with its built-in noise canceling microphone. And its built-in speaker even lets you video chat / conference with people. The Drift X3 is super easy to use, and you can operate it entirely from the Drift Life app. This app lets you connect the X3 to your mobile device, and with it you can preview content, you can change various settings, and just make it way easier to use without having to keep on looking at the Drift. In general, you can make it way easier to operate your X3. With the Drift Life app, you can live stream to YouTube with your Drift X3, giving viewers a first-person view of exactly what you're seeing. For more info on how to live stream to YouTube specifically, you can hit the link in the description below. It uses another model of Drift Innovation as a reference, but it still works the same way with the X3. For anyone interested in creating a custom app for the Drift X3, open APIs support developers to make applications for whatever use you dream up. They even have a tutorial for developers, which we have linked below. The Drift X3 is the ultimate POV action camera that records and provides collaboration through POV live video. If you're scouting out a location to skate, to nail down a trick at your local mountain, document a new trail, or share some incredible views the way you yourself are experiencing them, the Drift X3 can really change the game to capture magical moments. And it's like a tiara. It'll make you feel like a princess. You'll feel like royalty. I feel beautiful right now. That's it for our spotlight of Drift Innovation's X3 head-mounted action camera. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. If you have experience with Drift Innovation, let us know. Let us know what you think about this thing. I would love to see what people come up with using this camera. Kind of cool. If you can, like this video, share it with some friends. More importantly, stay tuned for another Red Yeti Spotlight coming at you next week. I'm gonna go film stuff.